Hello everyone, Christina here. Welcome to another video. Today when I'm uploading this, it is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. Today's card is a love card, not necessarily for Valentine's Day, but it could be if you wanted it to be. And it's also my 5th card in my Capsule Papercrafting series. We're going to jump right in here, starting with the stamp set, which is Huggable from Reverse Confetti, as well as the stained glass stencil from Honeybee. I'm going to start out with the stamping of this little bear in the stamp set, and I have a scrap piece of watercolor paper left over from a previous card that I'll be using. This is a Fabriano Artistico extra white watercolor paper, and I'm stamping the bear in Onyx black ink from Versafine. This is the black ink that I've chosen for my Capsule Paper Crafting supply box, and I chose this particular ink because it's perfect for stamping greetings. It's nice and crisp, but it's also waterproof, so it's perfect for watercoloring images or blending over the top of images. I'm using some paper fashion watercolors from American Crafts. Got my palette off to the side, and I'm just going to do a bunch of painting. Now I'm going to speed up the video here because this is very simple painting, and I'm going to turn on some music for you to enjoy. In fact, I loved the song so much, I'm going to let it play a little bit past all of the painting. I finished all of that watercoloring and trimming out the bear, as well as the ink blending over that stencil. And now I'm cutting down the stenciled piece so that it's a little bit smaller than an A2 card. So speaking of the A2 card, I'm creating the card base out of that same white cardstock, which is Neenah Classic Crest Solar White 110-pound cardstock. Both the ink blended piece and the card base are made out of that same white cardstock. I used some foam tape to adhere the ink blending piece onto the card base, as well as the bear. And I put the bear a little bit higher up on that little spot of ink blending so that I could have some greeting words down below. Speaking of the greeting, I'm using a kind of a longer greeting from the Occasional Label stamp set from Mom Elephant, and I wanted it to be in 2 lines. And because this is kind of like that ticker tape style, I needed to cut that stamp in half, or not quite in half, so that I could have two areas, and when I trim it out, I have white around all of the words. Hope that makes sense. I stamped it in that same black ink that I used earlier, and then used my scissors to trim it out, leaving a little bit of a white border. Hopefully now that you see the white border around the words, you understand why I had to cut that stamp into 2 pieces so that I could have them stamped separately. I used a little bit of foam tape that I trimmed down to be more narrow behind those greetings. And then I took my black pen and my T-square ruler, and I added a dashed line around the outer edge of this front panel on my card. It just needed a little something around the outer edge to help ground everything, and I think it really finishes off the card. The last thing I did was I added a little bit of white with a white Jelly Roll pen right on the bear's nose to give it a little bit of a indication of shine. And I also took my black pen and went over the bear's eyes one more time. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will be back next week with my 6th capsule card.